Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how to zoom in or zoom out your screen or magnify your screen. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification for our latest video. As you can see in the video, you can turn your screen, zoom in and zoom out, or you magnify your screen as you can see in this video. If you want to turn on this function, for this you have to go to settings. In settings you have to go to accessibility. In accessibility you have to go to vision. After that you have to turn on the magnification. As you can see in the video, if you turn on this magnification function, after that you tap 3 times on your screen, then it will zoom in or zoom out. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.